Boris Johnson's first cabinet meeting since leaving hospital today. He's expected to discuss how and when to ease lockdown restrictions.
Holiday refund refusals. Frustrated customers are turning to their banks and their credit card providers to get their money back. But will the regulator step in?
Good morning. Tributes are paid to another former England and Leeds United defender, Trevor Cherry, who's passed away suddenly and unexpectedly at the age of 72. He won the title with Leeds in 1974 alongside Norman Hunter, who passed away earlier this month.
Let's have a look through some of the front pages for you on the Daily Mirror. You can see the front page there. A national tragedy is how the Daily Mirror describes Wednesday's coronavirus death toll. The paper reporting the UK is on course to be the worst in Europe. It quotes Labour leader Sir Keir Starmer, who branded the situation truly dreadful.
Mr Johnson's baby news features prominently on the Daily Telegraph's front page. The paper's main story also concerns the Prime Minister, who it says is expected to dash hopes of a major easing of lockdown measures. Remember, there is a cabinet meeting today.
Let's have a look at the front page at The Guardian. Top story reporting that hospital leaders have criticised the government's coronavirus testing strategy and dismissed its target of 100,000 daily tests. Of course, that target was for today as a distraction from their failures.
And The Sun's front page says, good news at last for Britain after the arrival of Boris Johnson's first baby with his fiancée Carrie Symonds yesterday. Captain Tom Moore, he's also on the front page as he celebrates 100 years today. The UK now has the third highest number of Covid-19 related deaths, more than 26,000 after the United States and Italy.
The group representing hospitals and NHS trusts in England has criticised the government's coronavirus testing strategy. NHS providers said ministers had failed to develop an effective approach and called for more clarity on how health and care staff can be tested quickly. Today is the deadline set by the Health Secretary Matt Hancock for carrying out 100,000 daily tests. The latest figures show just over 52,000 were processed on Tuesday.
There has been an almost 20% increase in the number of calls to the NSPCC from adults concerned about child abuse during lockdown. Figures seen exclusively by the BBC show that calls have risen each week since the 23rd of March. The charity fears the situation could be intensifying abuse as schools and other spaces remain closed.